Hello. Today's video is to bring an update on what we've noticed over the last couple of weeks in relation to requests for certificate of sponsorship and defined certificate of sponsorship for skilled migrant sponsorship. The skilled migrant route is the only route to bring someone from outside the United Kingdom to work in the UK under the sponsorship arrangement, or to apply for a migrant already in the UK to work with a licensed sponsor. Since August, the law has been changed to ensure that there is an emphasis on the genuineness of the vacancy and employment. Every sponsor will be aware that before you apply for your sponsorship license, there's a requirement for you to show that there is vacancy for your potential employees. The Home Office have now ensured that those people who have applied for defined certificate of sponsorship to bring people from outside, and those who are applying for others to stay here to work, are able to provide evidence of the availability of work. This is because over the last few months, there's been stories of people who have come here and have not been able to work because their employers have not been able to provide them with work. The Home Office, therefore, as part of their regulatory regime and in the light of the various reports in relation to unavailability of skilled work, are now cranking up on supervision and regulatory requirements. So what is the genuineness of vacancy? The genuineness of vacancy is that there is a vacancy which is ready and available for someone to come and work. This requires that the vacancy is not a sham, neither is it a vacancy which is just being created to bring someone from outside or apply for someone here. So what the Home Office is doing is that they are asking sponsors who wish to bring people from outside or apply for people here to provide evidence in the form of a contract or agreement between the sponsor and either the NHS or the local authority or a private person. They require the contract to specify the duration of the contract, how many people are required to work on the contract, what will be the pay under the contract, and the location and venue of where the contract will be discharged. Therefore, if you're a sponsor and you're applying for a defined certificate of sponsorship or a certificate of sponsorship for those who are here, it behoves on you to provide this evidence of availability of work. If you're not able to provide evidence of the availability of work in the form of a contract, it is very unlikely that your request for defined certificate of sponsorship or certificate of sponsorship will be provided. This comes under your duty of candor and your duty to respect the Home Office laws. Unfortunately, this is a requirement that is supposed to be provided before the application is provided. It's only required over the duration of your request, and usually they only give you 5 working days to provide the evidence. Our advice to sponsors who wish to bring people in is to ensure that there is a ready-made vacancy and work is available for the potential employee. We hope this video is helpful. Please follow us on YouTube, on Facebook, on Instagram. Like and subscribe so that when we share videos, you will be notified.